I am very grateful to the Government of India for having invited me to deliver the Sardar Patel Memorial Lectures this year on Mahatma Gandhi. It is quite appropriate that these lectures, in the memory of one of the greatest sons of modern India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, should deal with different aspects of Bapu's personality and thought during the Gandhi centenary year. Sardar Patel had worked shoulder to shoulder with Gandhi ji during our struggle for freedom and was one of these closest followers and co-workers. Let us therefore remember him with deep gratitude as a distinguished architect of our country while celebrating the centenary of the father of the nation. I regard the centenary as a God sent opportunity for India and the world because it affords a rare chance to all of us to recollect once again Bapuji basic ideals and philosophy with a view to solving our own existing problems in a spirit of dedication. The UNESCO has appealed to all the nations of the world to organize Gandhiji centenary programs in a befitting manner. In our own country, the National Committee has already drawn up an ambitious program of holding exhibitions, erecting memorial pillars, publishing Gandhian literature, intensifying various items of constructive work, and issuing special stamps and coins. Even so, this prevails a general impression in India that we have been gradually forgetting Gandhiji's high ideals and his way of life and work. It is therefore our scared duty to do some critical thinking and introspection during this period with a view to reorienting our policies and programs for national development. Gandhi ji was a practical idealist who tried his very best to solve various difficulties and problems in a national and scientific manner, keeping in constant view certain basic principles which could not be sacrificed even for the liberation of the motherland. Gandhian thought is not based on some fads or utopian fantasies is often assumed by the so-called intellectuals in India and abroad. The ideas of the Mahatma Gandhi, though resisting of the foundations of certain internal truth, are eminently practical and realistic. We shall be overlooking the advice and guidance at great peril to India's vital interest and well-being. During the last 2 decades, our country has doubtless achieved notable results in various sectors of national development, and it would be improper to underestimate, much less denounce our own achievements.